Yo YouTube, what's going on? Happy New Year 2026. It's Anurag here, back with a brand new video for the year. Today, we're going to be doing a video on my EDC for 2025, or let's say for early 2026. So just the items that I've taken with me for 2025 and that I'm bringing with me for this year. So as you can see, got some essential stuff, we got some tech stuff. We're just going to go through all of it one by one and let's see what we've got and what I recommend. Let's go. Okay, so the first item we're going to be looking at is my daily phone, which is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the deep blue colorway. I got this back around 2-3 months ago. I've been using it as my daily, and obviously as it is a new Apple iPhone, there's not too many bad things to talk about. All I can say is good, because to be honest, it's like my 15 Pro Max, just with newer features such as the new camera control and also the new design on the back for the expanded camera cutout, which is kind of controversial, but it's grown on me now. And also we've got the new camera feature, which allows you to do the landscape mode. And there's a lot of features that I haven't mentioned, obviously, that I want to make a separate video on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Feel free to check out the channel because I will be making a separate video for it. All right, moving on straight to my AirPods, which are my AirPods Pro 2 2nd gen. As you can see, there is a missing right earbud. I will explain that in an upcoming video, but I have made a video, a longer form video that I will release soon, so we can talk more about it then. But for now, these have been the best earphones. Talking about earphones, I do have my gym headphones. These I actually picked up on TK Maxx at a good price for 30 Great British pounds. And to be honest, they're like a replica to the Sony WHMX5s, if I'm saying that correctly. They've got really nice ear cuffs and they got a nice padding at the top also. And also they actually have noise cancelling. So it's a really nice, cheaper alternative if you're not wanting to spend hundreds of dollars or pounds on a pair of headphones, which also have noise cancelling. And for the gym, they're really nice. They stay on my head, and to be honest, I would say these are really good value compared to any other headphones I've tried so far. I have usually used them for running, strength training. The microphone is kind of bad, but I won't get too much into that. For listening and everything else, comfort is really nice. Is my wallet of choice being the Porsche Heritage wallet or Porsche Heritage wallet. I actually got this as a gift. That's the reason why it's my choice of wallet. Here I put my debit cards, credit cards in this section, and gift cards and other customer cards in this one. And it's also got a pocket where you can put cash, change, and notes. I've got a photo and I think I have a little cash in here. Yeah, I don't really carry cash. So there we go, just a 50p. Nothing too crazy. Let's pop that back just in case we need it. To be honest, it just got 3 on 3 on each side. So that's 6 card holders and then the main ID card holder. And just a place where I put my photo, my notes, whatever else. So it's got quite a lot of holders, to be honest. Okay, because we're on the topic of red, I saw this caught my eye on the floor. This is my Spider-Man glasses case. I love Spider-Man and I wear glasses, so it's pretty simple, self-explanatory, and I just keep this in my bag. And inside we've got the cloth, obviously to clean my lens, my glasses with. Moving on to one of my favorite pieces, this is my Fossil watch. I got this as a gift from my mum, probably like 5 years ago, more longer than that. And I've been wearing it like nearly every day, been pairing it with all my fits. It's good for going out or even going work. For 5 years, the condition it's in, almost as if it's new. That's why I love it. There's barely any scratches and I just cherish this item, obviously, as it's a gift. You can't really go wrong with these type of watches. I'd really recommend it for any of you people who love watches but don't want to spend too much, and it's a timeless classic. Now moving on to probably the most boring part is just the quick essentials. I've got a lip balm. Choice is Bister X. Obviously just open and apply the lip balm. Choice of gum is Extra, and as you can see I've ran through it and I do have extra in my bag. Get it? Anyways, this is my mints and I usually carry a tin. Otherwise, I got this mega value pack for a lot of mints, items that you need, you know, all that stuff. So that's it. Last but not least, we've got my fragrance of choice. This is Stronger With You. I believe this is the EDT version. This was more of a recent gift I got from my sister. So I'd be lying if I said that I had it all throughout 2025. But I do have a stronger version, a parfum version. This is the lighter scent one, but my parfum version is a bit more stronger. And this is more for like those date nights or going out, and this is more for like going to the office or working. It's a really nice, neat thing that you can just carry with you everywhere rather than carrying all the bottles. You can get these from like Amazon, eBay, even Shein, Temu, those type of places. It's just for you to hold your scent. It's got that little nozzle, as you can see. Just pump your scent in there and it literally just fills up, and it's better than carrying everything all at once. Guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in to my EDC 2026. These are all my items that I've been carrying around all year long, and I highly recommend all of these items, both tech and both essential items. If you just check out the channel, I'll be making more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.